In spring of 2016, Jessica Lynn Original was featured in the CardMakers magazine. We were featured for our very first ever calendar planner stamp set. We call this one the Original Calendar Planner Stamp Set by Jessica Lynn Original. So let me just scroll down and show you what the stamp set looks like. So there it is. Now it's kind of fun. All of this in here, that's actually my handwriting. So it was really exciting to see my handwriting featured in CardMakers magazine. Here's the way it looked when it actually was published in the magazine. You can see they took a picture of the stamp set. And then they talked about calendar planner stamp sets. This is actually a display I have up on my wall. I love my little wall of accomplishments. It's really exciting to keep me focused on my business. This set is available on our website, which is jessicalynnoriginal.com. It is also available on Amazon. So if you head on out to Amazon and search Jessica Lynn Original, again, all one word mushed together, just the way it looks right there. And you can actually see this stamp set is available on Amazon as well. Thank you again, and have a great day.